Connie writes, I would like to know why it is that no one talks about cutting foreign aid, benefits to illegals, funds to the UN. When our elected officials talk about cuts, it's always military, Social Security, and Medicare. Again, I agree with Connie. We voted for provisions in H.R. 1, the funding bill, early in this cycle that would decrease foreign aid to countries. I prepared an amendment that said we should take away foreign aid to all the countries that hate us. One of our colleagues said that he doesn't think we have to pay people to hate us. He thinks they'll do it for free. So we absolutely support the idea that we do not need to be funding terrorism. We don't need to be funding Hamas. We don't need to be funding those countries that hate us. I even took several votes that would be very stern with Pakistan because they were harboring bin Laden there with full knowledge. I think they need to be accountable to that, to the American people. Secondly, she talks about benefits to illegals. We believe that immigration reform is one of the most important things. Don't believe we should give amnesty, but I don't believe that we should be giving benefits to people who are here in this country illegally. It soaks away the dollars from people who legitimately are citizens who are looking for help. I believe that we can set up a guest worker program that allows people to come in and out, but get out of the shadows and go to work on programs, start paying taxes. When you're not working, go back home. That's the basic thrust. We need to secure the border, and finally, we need to just put Americans back to work. I think there are a lot of things that we can do. We have proposals to do just that, and would direct you to our website to look at those.